Tired of typing dates manually in Excel and making silly mistakes? Today, we're transforming your spreadsheets with a built-in calendar, making date selection a breeze. First things first, we need to ensure you have access to the tools we need. Look for the Developer tab at the top of your Excel ribbon. If you don't see it, don't worry. Simply go to File, then Options, click on Customize ribbon, and in the right-hand column, make sure the Developer checkbox is ticked, then click OK. With the Developer tab visible, click on Insert in the Controls group. This will open a drop-down menu of various Form and ActiveX controls. Scroll down this list and find Microsoft Date and Time Picker control or a similar calendar-related control. Select it, and then click OK. Now, your cursor will change to a crosshair. Click and drag on your worksheet where you want your calendar to appear. Think of this as drawing a small box for your date input. You'll see a small calendar icon appear on your sheet. This is your new calendar control. Now, to make it work, we'll need to link it to a cell. To connect this calendar to a specific cell for data entry, we need to activate design mode. You'll see a button for this in the Developer tab, usually in the Controls group. Click it to toggle design mode on. Now, right-click on your newly placed calendar icon and select Properties. In the Properties window that pops up, look for the Linked Cell option. Click in the box next to it and type the cell reference where you want the selected date to appear. For example, type A1 if you want the date to show up in cell A1. Now, toggle design mode off by clicking the button again. You'll see the calendar icon is now live. Click on it, and a calendar will pop up, ready for you to select a date. When you select a date, watch as it automatically appears in the cell you linked it to. This makes data entry incredibly accurate and intuitive. You've just added a functional calendar to your Excel spreadsheet, streamlining your workflow and enhancing your data entry experience. Try it out for yourself.